And we're going to quickly talk about a couple of things in Emacs. We're going to talk about the distinction between frames, windows, and buffers, okay? So the frame is this. We know we only have one frame because we only see one section is open at the bottom here. And at the top, we've got this path. This is the frame. That's the frame. And it's tied to just one of these. If we had two frames, we'd see two of these. And within this frame, we've got this window. So we can split this window in two. Now we have two windows, and they're both showing the dashboard. There's one window over here, and there's one window on this side as well. We've got the same buffer inside of different windows. So we're talking about frames, we're talking about windows, and we're talking about buffers. Buffers, they sit in the background, they're visible. You can have 1,000 of them, you can have 4 of them, you can have 1. It's the files that you have in the background, okay? So let's go back with one window and let's look at the buffers that we have open here. You can see we increase the font size. You can see we've got all these buffers open. These buffers opened automatically because I set them up to open automatically. You can get Emacs to open up whatever files you want it to open up when you start Emacs. I've got it opening up the journal, an agenda, clients, and this mail file, which is any important mail that you want. We've also got some news articles. We've got an agenda. We've got a calendar. And notice that this file here is GPG. That's an encrypted file. You can encrypt your files. That's something that I include with the system. Obviously, it's got a lot of functionality, but you would get that as well. You have the ability to encrypt and decrypt any files on your computer system. That's pretty cool because you can write in your journal. Nobody's going to know what you wrote in your journal except for you. When you encrypt it, you'll be able to read it. When you decrypt it, you'll be able to read it. But when it's encrypted, nobody can read it. You can load that up to Dropbox. You can push that up into the cloud. It's encrypted, totally safe, completely 100% safe. So that's something as well. So let's take a look at a different